In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color on your card.co site. This is a simple but powerful way to customize your design and make it match your personal style or brand identity. Let's get started. First things first, open up the page you're working on within Card. Go ahead and navigate to the specific text that you want to edit. This could be anything from headers to body text, wherever you think a color change will enhance your design or make an impact. Once you click on the text, you'll notice a Properties panel appear on the left side of your screen. Now think of this panel as your main control hub for all things related to text customization. This is where you can adjust the font style, the sans, the weight, and crucially, the color of your text. Now let's dive into changing that text color. In the Properties panel, you should see a familiar paintbrush icon at the top. This is your gateway to the appearance settings for your text elements. Click on this paintbrush and you'll see an array of options to tweak the look and feel of your text. You have a couple of avenues here to adjust the text color. First, there are the color sliders and color box available right there in the appearance settings. With these tools, you're able to manually explore different shades and hues until you find one that perfectly fits your site's design scheme. This is a great option if you want to experiment and see the different ways color can transform your text. Alternatively, if you have a specific color in mind, perhaps one that aligns with your brand's established identity, you can enter its hex code directly into the settings. A hex code is a 6-character code that represents a particular color in web design, and inputting this will apply that precise color to your text. This method ensures consistency, especially if you're following a strict brand guideline. After you've selected your desired color, you'll see the changes update instantaneously. Isn't that amazing? Feel free to repeat this process for any other text elements on your site, allowing you to create a unified and visually appealing design that reflects your personal or brand aesthetic. And just like that, you've successfully changed the text color on your card site. Remember, personalizing these small details can make your site more engaging, giving it that distinct touch that helps your brand stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more card tutorials. I look forward to guiding you in our next video. See you soon.